Your iPhone may be tracking more than you think. Change these settings now. Turn on private Wi-Fi address. First, open the Settings app on your device. Tap on Wi-Fi. Click on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Select private Wi-Fi address. Change the setting to rotating. This changes your Wi-Fi address regularly. It helps prevent websites and networks from tracking your device activity. Enable Limit IP address tracking. While you're still on the Wi-Fi settings page, scroll down and look for the Limit IP address tracking option. Turn on the toggle next to it. This feature helps hide your IP address from known trackers and websites. It improves privacy in Safari and Mail. Review location access for apps. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. At the top, click on Location Services. Make sure to keep location services on. Scroll through the list of apps and review their location permissions one by one. If an app is set to always, tap on it and change the permission to while using the app. This stops apps from constantly tracking your live location in the background. Disable unnecessary system tracking. Inside Location Services, look for the option System Services and click it. Keep important services on for the emergency calls, Find My iPhone, etc. options. Turn off unnecessary tracking. Next, scroll down to the Product Improvement section and disable all the options. Apple collects usage and location behavior data here. Turn off significant locations. While you're in System Services, find and tap significant locations. Authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. Turn off significant locations. When the confirmation pop-up appears, tap Turn Off. Next, at the bottom, tap on Clear History. Confirm your choice when prompted. Your iPhone stores places you visit regularly. Disable app tracking requests. Go back to the Privacy and Security page in Settings. Here, tap on Tracking. Turn off the Allow apps to Request to Track toggle. This helps reduce personalized advertising and limits cross-app tracking. Check camera and microphone access. While you're still in Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down and tap on the microphone. Review the list of apps that have microphone access. Disable access for apps you don't trust. Go back and click on the camera. Check which apps can access your camera. Turn off permissions for apps that don't require them. Some apps may access your microphone or camera unnecessarily. Disable analytics sharing. Go back to Privacy and Security. Here, scroll down and click on Analytics and Improvements. Turn off all the available toggles to stop your device from sharing usage and diagnostic data with Apple. Turn off personalized Apple ads. Go back to the previous page and tap on the Apple advertising. Then turn off personalized ads. Stops Apple from using your activity for ad targeting. Disable Apple Intelligence reports. Go back to Privacy and Security. Tap Apple Intelligence Report. Then set the report duration to off. Prevents AI-related text activity from being stored. Enable Stolen Device Protection. Inside Privacy and Security. At the bottom, click on Stolen Device Protection. Now, turn on the Stolen Device option. It adds extra security if your iPhone gets stolen. Protect privacy in the Mail app. Go to the Settings homepage. Scroll to the bottom and click on the apps. Tap on the M letter in alphabetical order. Select Mail from the list. Scroll down to the Messages section. Tap Privacy Protection. Turn on the Protect Mail Activity toggle. This feature hides your IP address from email trackers. Secure Safari tracking settings. Go to the app's homepage. Tap on the S letter in alphabetical order. Select the Safari app from the list. Scroll to the Privacy and Security section. Turn on the following options. Prevent cross-site tracking. Require Face ID for private browsing. Fraudulent website warning. Not secure connection warning. Next, tap Hide IP address. Change the option to Trackers. This helps prevent trackers from identifying your IP address. Enable Advanced Tracking Protection. In Safari settings, scroll all the way down and click on Advanced. Select Advanced Tracking and Fingerprinting Protection. Choose the All Browsing option. It prevents websites from identifying your device using digital fingerprinting. Stop websites from accessing camera, mic, and location. Go back inside Safari settings, click on the camera option, and set the option to deny. Return to the previous screen and tap microphone. Then choose Ask or Deny. Next, open Location and set it to Ask or Deny. This prevents websites from secretly accessing your hardware or location. And that's it.